Are you tired of manually typing dashes to make lists in Gmail? Learn how to create perfect bulleted lists in under 30 seconds. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find the bulleted list icon and how to use it step by step. Let's get started. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage in your browser. Then, click the Compose button to open a new email message. Now, place your cursor exactly where you want the bulleted list to appear in the email body. To make things easier, expand your Compose window to full screen by clicking the full screen icon in the top right. At the bottom of the Compose window, click the bulleted list icon. It looks like a list with dots. Type your first list item, then press Enter to create the next bullet automatically. Continue adding items to your list, pressing Enter after each one. When you're finished, press Enter twice to end the bulleted list and return to normal text. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.